Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between miles and kilometers. So, US measurements between metric. So we'll start the vehicle to begin, and then wait for everything here to load. And once it's all loaded, which we're almost there, but we'll just use this menu button. So menu, and then we'll go to system settings. And then here you can go between English or metric. And then it just auto changes for you, which you can see on the display here. It changed to kilometers. I'm in the US, so I'm going to do these English measurements in miles. And then it auto did it here. So that's it. I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a great day.